Dear students, today we are going to start the basics of English. Actually, if you want to study grammar particularly, then we have to go through so many things. Like first of all, auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary verbs. So there are particular two types of auxiliary verbs, like primary auxiliary and second is modal auxiliary. Primary auxiliary and modal auxiliary. So what are the primary auxiliaries? Very first is the form of be, form of do, form of have. So the grammar is made by these auxiliary verbs. This is first form, this is second form, this is third form. What is the first form of be? Is, am, are. Second form of be? Was, were. Third form of be? Been. First form of do, does. Second form of be is did. Third form of do is done. Has, have, had. Third form is had. So there are three forms. What is the first form of be? Is, am, are, was, were, been. Do, does, did, done. Has, have, had. Here, can, could, will, would, may, might, shall, should, must, used to, dare, need not, ought to. So what is the basic difference between primary auxiliaries and modal auxiliaries? There are basic two differences are there. Primary auxiliary denotes special sense, but modal auxiliaries denote special sense. Primary auxiliaries are affected with their subjects, but modal auxiliaries do not affect with their subjects. And primary auxiliaries can be used like verbs and helping verbs, but modal auxiliaries can be used only like helping verbs. How they are used in a sentence, let's see. Now we are going to start form of be. First form is, am, are. This is first form of be. Second form is was, were. Third form is been. It is second form. It is third form. Actually ये दो टाइप से फंक्शंस करती है सेंटेंस में. एक तो लाइक हेल्पिंग वर्ब और दूसरा लाइक वर्ब्स. और ये कॉम्प्लीमेंट लेते हैं. दे टेक कॉम्प्लीमेंट आफ्टर देम. कॉम्प्लीमेंट क्या होता है? Those words which give us additional information about subject are called complement. Complement means जो सेंटेंस सब्जेक्ट को कंप्लीट करती हैं, तो उसकी मीनिंग को कंप्लीट करती हैं, दे आर कॉल्ड complements. Like Ram is a teacher. Ram is a teacher. So what is is? Is not a helping verb here, but it is verb. And what is? This is the first form of be. So it is a linking verb. Linking verb means those verbs which connect subject to complement. इसमें दोनों एक है, both are same. जो ये टीचर है वही राम है और राम क्या है? टीचर है. इट मीन्स अ टीचर जो है वो राम के सेंस को कंप्लीट करता है. इट इज कॉल्ड कॉम्प्लीमेंट. सो इट इज नॉट हेल्पिंग वर्ब, इट इज फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. इट इज फर्स्ट फॉर्म. विच फॉर्म? बी फॉर्म. एंड they are honest. So here it is subject, it is complement, it is linking verb. 3. I am a doctor. So I is subject, am is linking verb, a doctor is complement. So what is am here? Am is the first form of be. Am is the first form of be. बट इन द सेम वे अगर हम स्टडी करें हेल्पिंग वर्ब की तो फिर है जैसे राम इज बीटिंग अ टीचर. राम इज बीटिंग अ टीचर. इन दिस सेंटेंस राम इज सब्जेक्ट, इज हेयर हेल्पिंग वर्ब, बीटिंग इज वर्ब, अ टीचर इज ऑब्जेक्ट. इन दोनों में क्या डिफरेंस है? यहां पर टीचर और राम बोथ आर सब्जेक्ट्स, बोथ आर सब्जेक्ट एंड कॉम्प्लीमेंट. बट इन दिस सेंटेंस राम इज सब्जेक्ट एंड अ टीचर इज ऑब्जेक्ट. क्योंकि राम इज बीटिंग whom, राम किसको पीट रहा है? whom, अ टीचर. सो दिस इज ऑब्जेक्ट. व्हाट इज डिफरेंस? सब्जेक्ट और कॉम्प्लीमेंट दोनों एक होते हैं, लेकिन सब्जेक्ट और ऑब्जेक्ट दोनों अलग अलग होते हैं. बोथ आर डिफरेंट. Likewise, number 2, I am writing stories. I is subject, am is helping verb, writing is verb, stories is called object. I am writing, मैं लिख रहा हूं. What? This is object. So subject and complement remain same, but subject and object remain different. In these sentences, both is and am are helping verbs, but in these sentences, is, are and am, these are considered linking verbs, and they are the forms of be. They are the forms of be. But this is and am are not forms of be, they are considered helping verb. Because they are taking verbs after them. They are taking verbs after them. Number 3, we are making a noise. We are making a noise we are making a noise in the class. We are making a noise in the class. So in this sentence, we is subject, are is helping verb, we are making, हम क्या कर रहे हैं? A noise. This is object. What is object? जब भी हम verb से what और whom का क्वेश्चन करते हैं और जो सेक्शन का रिसिपिएंट होता है, that is called object. So we are making, हम बना रहे हैं. What we are making? We are making tea. तो we एक्शन कर रहे हैं और उस मेकिंग का रिसिपिएंट क्या है? ऑब्जेक्ट. तो ये what is this? This is helping verb. Sorry, this is verb. No, no. So making is verb, or this R is helping verb. In the same way, number second, he was a rich man. In second sentence, they were honest. They were honest. Number three, he was reading books. You were playing cricket at that time. So here he is subject, was is helping verb, he was reading. It is verb. He was reading what? What he was reading? He was reading books. It is object. You is here subject, were is helping verb. You are playing what? What you are playing? Cricket. It is object and it is main verb. अब वो खेल रहा था, कब खेल रहा था? When he was playing cricket at that time. This is called adverb of place. Adverb of place. अब you were playing, कौन? Who were playing? You. So this is subject. He was reading. Who was reading? He was reading. It is subject. तो इसमें डिफरेंस क्या है? ये तो फॉर्म ऑफ बी है. बोथ वाज एंड वर आर कंसिडर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ बी. लेकिन इसके अंदर वाज और वर बी की फॉर्म्स नहीं है. दे आर कंसिडर्ड ओनली हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स. सो इट इज ओनली लिंकिंग वर्ब. लिंकिंग वर्ब. It is subject. It is subject. It is complement. It is complement. So in these sentences, this is considered form of be, and they are considered helping verbs. Now we want to study the form of be. Be forms is am, are, was, were, been. It is first form, it is second form, it is third form. They take complement, complement, complement. Now Rohit has been unhappy. Rita has been careless. I had been hopeful. Ram must have been there. So in these sentences, been, 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 been. In these sentences, this been is considered third form of be. इसका मतलब है कि जब भी बीन के बाद हम कोई एनी वर्ब्स का यूज नहीं करते तो इट इज कंसिडर्ड थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ बी, थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ बी, थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ बी. But when other verbs are used after been, then it is considered the part of helping verb. तो उस कंडीशन में बी का थर्ड फॉर्म नहीं होता, उस हेल्पिंग वर्ब का पार्ट होता है. जैसे राम has been killed lately. So in this sentence, Ram has been killed. Been is the part of हेल्पिंग वर्ब, क्योंकि वर्ब की थर्ड फॉर्म है यहाँ पे. इट इज ए सेंटेंस, पैसिव सेंटेंस. राम हैज बीन किल्ड, राम हैज बीन किल्ड. नेक्स्ट इज यू मस्ट हैव बीन इंसल्टेड. So this is considered the part of helping verb. And in third sentence, Asha has been doing her work for 6 hours. तो इसमें been क्या है? इट इज ऑल्सो कंसिडर्ड द पार्ट ऑफ हेल्पिंग वर्ब. ये भी हेल्पिंग वर्ब का पार्ट है, क्योंकि इस बीन के बाद में वर्ब आ रही है. जब भी बीन के बाद कोई वर्ब आती है तो वो बीन हेल्पिंग वर्ब का पार्ट होता है, वो बीन बी का थर्ड फॉर्म नहीं होता. बट ऑन द अदर हैंड व्हेन वी डोंट यूज एनी वर्ब्स आफ्टर बीन, देन इट इज कंसिडर्ड थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ बी. इसलिए इन चारों सेंटेंसेस के अंदर बीन जो है वो बी का थर्ड फॉर्म है, ये वाला पार्ट है. लेकिन इन दीज सेंटेंसेस बीन केवल हेल्पिंग वर्ब का पार्ट है. इट इज नॉट द कंसिडर्ड द फॉर्म ऑफ थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ बीन, बट इट इज द पार्ट ऑफ ए हेल्पिंग वर्ब.